boys and girls, would you like to join our Arts and Crafts Day? Well, I have here something to show you. We have here a yarn, we have a rope, rainbow Loom rubber bands, we have perlers, we have laces, two kinds of laces here, we have a buttons, we have a strong glue, and we have something to cut, a scissor. And of course, to those who are 8 years old, or you just check the age of the girls that allowed to use this glue gun, because this is through electric. We have here a glue gun, glue bullet, and perler beads, and we have these flowers. So yeah, and of course, before I forgot, I have to tell you that we're going to use a bond paper for our art. So okay, come on boys and girls, sit down and join our art day. Click the subscribe button, and thank you very much. If you want notification, please click the bell so that you'll be notified if I have a new art video. Okay, thank you mommy, thank you boys and girls. Well, we'll start our project. Okay, we need mommy here too in case we have little kids, because some of those little kids would love to show these perlers. Look at the perlers, it's so beautiful. And we have there a glue gun, bullets, or what you call the one tube. We have buttons, and this, I don't know, chips, or I don't know how you call that, girls. Okay, we'll start our art. So this is our second project. What can we make out of this? I think they have the same size. And I have here 3 of the chips. First, to think how you make your flower out of this. A rope, a buttons, and beautiful flowers. Think, plan where you put your rope, what you're going to make with your rope. What am I going to do with this? And what I can picture out of this, and what art do I need to make out of this. Oh, one night I'm asleep and I can see the stars in the sky. So what it is? This is a rainbow loom. This is a kind of an elastic rubber bands. Well, rubber bands are elastic. And you can make out of something with this one. You can make a bracelets. Yes. So anybody who got this one, please get it, and let's start. So this is our art number 1. I like that. That's a beautiful art of Miss Jennifer. Thank you, girls. But using it like that so that we can cover the one in the middle. So this is a tic-tac-toe, boys. Do you like to play tic-tac-toe? Yeah, that is so pretty. Look at that. So this is our art number 2. This is so beautiful. So this is our art number 3. And let's go to art number 4. This is so beautiful. So this is our art number 3. And let's go to art number 4. This is another art, like blowing bubbles. To blow bubbles. Ayan, if you have bubbles, then this is what it looks like. It become a color bubbles that's floating in the air. Ayan. That's a beautiful bubbles there. So this is another art that we made. So we have 5 here. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, boys and girls, you can do this if you have Perler. You just get a string and then go ahead and make something. Just drop your string. If you look at your window in the evening during nighttime, what you can see in the skies. I imagine these are the stars. Ooh, twinkling stars. Isn't it beautiful? So finally we finished our art. Isn't that beautiful? I have here a flower. I have here like a stars in the sky. Can you imagine that? There's stars in the skies with colorful ones. So beautiful. And I have here a flower. out of the buttons. Yan. It's beautiful, and this is perler beads, and that is a rope and the pretty flowers there too. And this is an example of the Tic Tac Toe bingo. Ayan, and this is a blowing bubbles. Isn't that beautiful? So those are our arts for today. Boys and girls, grab something from your box and then do something beautiful. Look at that.